What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about Samsung's brand new earbuds, the newly launched Galaxy Buds4 Pro and Galaxy Buds 4. Both just hit the market, but the Buds 4 Pro come with some serious upgrades like a dual driver sound system, stronger noise cancellation, better durability, and smarter controls. The big question is, are those upgrades really worth paying extra for? In this video, we'll break everything down in simple words and compare them side by side so you can clearly decide which one fits you better. Before we start, welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's start with the design and fit. The Buds 4 Pro go with a proper in-ear design using silicone ear tips. Because they seal inside your ear, they feel secure and block outside noise naturally. That seal also helps deliver deeper bass and a more immersive listening experience. They feel snug and stable, especially if you're walking fast or working out. The regular Buds 4 take a different approach. They use an open-fit design without silicone tips. That means they sit gently in your ear rather than sealing inside it. For many people, this feels lighter and more comfortable for long listening sessions because there's no pressure in the ear canal. But the trade-off is less natural noise isolation compared to the Pro version. Now let's talk about sound quality, because this is where the biggest difference shows up. The Buds 4 Pro use a two-way speaker system. There's a dedicated woofer handling the bass and a separate tweeter managing the highs. This setup creates a fuller, richer sound. Music feels more detailed, vocals are clearer, and bass hits deeper without feeling muddy. If you care about sound quality, this difference is noticeable. The regular Buds 4 use a single driver. They still sound clean and balanced for everyday music and podcasts, but they don't deliver the same depth or separation you get from the Pro model. For casual listeners, they're more than fine, but if you love hearing small details in your music, the Pro definitely sounds more premium. Noise cancellation is another key area. Both earbuds have active noise cancellation, but the Buds 4 Pro take it further. The cancellation feels stronger and more consistent, especially in loud environments like traffic or public transport. The regular Buds 4 have ANC too, but it's lighter because of the open design. You'll still hear more background noise compared to the Pro. In terms of features, both support modern Bluetooth connectivity, fast pairing with Samsung devices, touch controls, and adaptive sound adjustments. The Buds 4 Pro adds some extra smart touches like head gesture controls and slightly improved microphone performance for clearer calls. So while both feel modern, the Pro just feels a bit more advanced. Battery life is solid on both. The Buds 4 Pro lasts around 6 hours with noise cancellation on and about 7 hours without it. The case extends total playback to roughly 26 to 30 hours depending on usage. The regular Buds 4 gives slightly less on a single charge with ANC on, but overall total battery life with the case is still very similar. In daily use, both will comfortably get you through multiple days before needing to recharge the case. Durability is another difference. The Buds 4 Pro come with stronger water and dust resistance, making them better for workouts or light rain. The Buds 4 are still splash resistant, but not as rugged as the Pro. So what's the final verdict? If you want the best possible sound, stronger noise cancellation, deeper bass, and a more premium build, then the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are clearly the better choice. They feel more immersive and more powerful overall. But if you prefer a lighter, more open fit that feels super comfortable all day, and you don't need the absolute best noise cancellation, then the regular Galaxy Buds 4 are a great option, especially if you want to save some money. Both are strong new launches from Samsung. It just depends on whether you want premium performance or easy everyday comfort. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like and subscribe Smartwatch Radar for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.